last couple of days, I was very busy and I was not able to get back to my kitchen. But today, this Sunday evening, I am getting back to my kitchen, decluttering it, cleaning my kitchen counter and my sink. This is some steps to help those that are busy moms or those that are working. Do your kitchen the night before, and it's so much easier on you on the next day getting these chores done. Thank y'all so much for stopping in. Let me share with you how I clean my silver sink. I bought this product from the Amazon store. It's called the paint stuff. And if you're like me, you love cleaners that has a pleasant smell, but it does work. And guys, it's so easy to use. Just get you a cleaning cloth and apply a small amount on your cloth and just rub it in your sink. And guys, you will see that it cuts the grease, the stains out of your kitchen sink. After taking about 3 to 5 minutes of scrubbing it on your sink to work the product in, and you have gotten the results of the product, and as you see it working, just rinse with warm water, and it's just that simple. Friends, to do some extra scrubbing, get a toothbrush with the paint stuff and scrub around the edges of your sink, around the nozzles, around the handles, in the back, and even in the center of the sink. And this will get all that extra grime, all that extra dirt or whatever is hidden in that. Get your toothbrush. Make sure that you rinse every place that you applied your product so that you won't leave any grime or product behind with the warm water. And here I'm just going to clean these little sink stoppers to catch all the food and things coming through the sink from going down the drain. I bought these from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just sanitizing it with vinegar. After that, I'm just spraying the whole sink area with vinegar and water, and I'm going to let this set for a few minutes, then come back, rinse it, and immediately after, I'll dry all the water out of the sink. After that, I'm going to sanitize my kitchen counters before I clean them down. And friends, you can do this at night or early in the morning. Here I'm doing it at night so that I can keep my home sanitized in these counters, because you saw all the mess that I had up here. So it's just taking a little more effort. And I'm telling you, if you take these few steps to clean your kitchen at night, you will get up with a better smelling home. And it makes you feel so much better when you get up when your kitchen and your home is clean before the next day. So friends, I hope this has been a blessing and a motivation. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope that this really helps you just take a little extra time to clean and tidy up your kitchen or your space at night Friends, I'm telling you, it will be well worth it. Friends, I hope that you can see my kitchen sink looks so much better. Just taking a little time, that extra 20 minutes, just to clean it before I go to bed. Friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Like, comment, and do subscribe. And please don't forget to watch another video that I will leave to you in my end screen. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous week. Bye-bye from Penny.